Now I'ma kick a little something funky for the fellas. And all the fat ladies have been acting overzealous. They tell us so what the dilly was really the best one, and they could hardly wait to check out the next, so I bless them. Put his fat first, fatter than tractors. A kitty kind of voice, a contributory factor. And how I let my fat words affect the fat girls to start moonwalking backwards. I'm fitted backwards, so check this, it's hella fancy. You in a frenzy, and now you and your friends be jumping like chimpanzees. I know what fans be wanting this back so bad, so I'ma kick a track and let you lay back and check this easy player. Songs you bump to on your CD player. Tickety telling all the sleazy cheesy haters. See you later, give it a piece of paper with the funky ballpoint pens. Of people ready to battle, but too busy to make an appointment. Oink man, just take a look at that figure, wanna be Tupac. You hitting me up the rooftop, cause my group is too hot. Check cool now, so fuse it that my music abusive, just like a two-face. A flan lyrics when it's too big, you boot this. But now I think my cool-ish amuses your two sisters, dig my voice and dribble juices. Oh, 1, 2,